nakukuha niya ba ng buo ang kanyang daily cash assistance kahit na 3 days lang siya nagstay sa hospital? Ang sagot po niyan, ang i-cover lang po ng ating Seal Pro, in the case of that client, Platinum Seal Pro po siya na meron siyang 2,000 pesos daily cash assistance for 10 days. Ang i-cover lang sa kanya is a maximum of 3 days. Since ni-require lang po siya na ma-hospitalize for 3 days, that's 6,000 pesos na i-cover ng ating Platinum Seal Pro. Yung remaining 7 days ay magagamit niya pa rin po in case may mangyaring masama or maaksidente na naman itong client na to. Pero that doesn't mean that just because na-hospitalize siya for only 3 days, ay makukuha niya na ng buo ang kanyang daily cash assistance. Ang makukuha niya lang po is yung total amount or yung total days na nire-require sa kanya na magpahinga or ma-hospitalize. This is your OVI Master, Christian Enrile, and stay tuned for more OVI's Frequently Asked Questions videos.